Are you working up to your potential? 7 ways to soar. If you desire to live the life of your dreams, it's necessary to concentrate on what you want and keep working toward it. You may experience periods of time when you lose focus and it becomes challenging to keep pursuing your goals and dreams. Is it a constant struggle to give 100% in everything you do? How can you stay motivated and continue to work up to your potential? Examine these 7 strategies to soar at whatever you do. Make every moment count. Recognize that if you're spending your time doing something, you might as well be learning as much as you can. Stay connected to the task at hand. Immerse yourself in each activity to make the most of it. Think about a task at work that you dislike, such as filing. Even though filing may be boring and time-consuming, it's important to do a good job and put forth maximum effort. Prove to yourself and others that you can excel at even the most mundane task. Direct your energies toward living in the moment and working up to your full potential. Think about average versus excellence. Reflect on the difference between performing a mediocre job as opposed to an outstanding job. Which way of working makes you feel more confident about your performance? Strive for excellence in everything you do. Begin with the end in mind. Ask yourself, if I try as hard as I can, what might happen? According to Stephen Covey, beginning with the end of your project in mind is a wonderfully proactive way to set yourself up for success. Identify the end you seek. Then, design a specific step-by-step plan in order to achieve it. Be positive. Positive thoughts will make you feel more content and increase your chance of success. Take a minute to consider the alternative. Is it possible to work toward your potential if your thoughts are riddled with negativity? Choose positive thinking to achieve your highest heights. Be optimistic when approaching a task. If you ever think, I hate doing these monthly reports because they take forever, then the report will probably indeed take a long time to complete. When you have a pessimistic attitude, you often will live up to it. Instead, be optimistic and put forth your best efforts. Then maybe that task won't be so bad after all. Perhaps it will help to set realistic limits, like, I can complete this report in about 4 hours. This will help you to focus your efforts and get the job done. Set smaller objectives toward accomplishing larger goals. Avoid getting overwhelmed by creating short-term objectives. For example, if you want to earn a college degree, but it seems overwhelming, just start by taking one class at a time. Think about the process. Referring back to the example of a college degree, you start by taking one course, then completing a semester of classes, and then finishing each year of college until you earn your degree. By setting small, manageable objectives, you'll be on a positive path toward your goals and you'll be able to see your forward progress along the way. Celebrate your successes. When you acknowledge your efforts, you'll be inspired to achieve at high levels. The more you accomplish, the more success you will experience. Make the most of your life by working toward your fullest potential. When you carry out these strategies, you'll find yourself on top of the world. Your potential is endless. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be good to yourself, and stay healthy.